The State Election Commission announces the deferred general municipal elections and CCP election in Goa on 20th March 2021 between 8 am to 5 pm. COVID positive persons will be allowed to cast their vote between 4 pm to 5 pm. The filing of nominations will be held from 25th February 2021 up to 4th March 2021. The scrutiny of nomination papers will be on 5th March 2021. The last day for withdrawal of nomination papers will be 6th March 2021. Vote counting will take place on 22nd March 2021. Model Code of Conduct will be applicable only in those areas where elections will be held. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.